after. Grace?
The couple is from Anacortes in their 60s. They say they felt symptoms consistent for coronavirus after meeting up with their choir group earlier this month. They chose not to get tested for COVID-19 because they wanted to save the tests for those who needed it the most. But they did choose to quarantine themselves, and tonight they continue their road to recovery.
We're singing at home. Yeah.
Carolyn Comstock and Jim Owen are finally in good spirits tonight after falling ill 3 to 5 days after attending choir practice in Mount Vernon earlier this month, a rehearsal that was at the center of a deadly coronavirus outbreak in Skagit County.
On Friday, I started to feel cold. I was chilled in the afternoon. I went, oh, that's weird. So I went and got a sweater, put it on. That didn't help. So I took my temperature was 99.3.
Comstock says she also lost her sense of smell and taste. Owen felt different symptoms.
I presented differently. I felt achy and fatigued as if I was coming down with something, but there was no cough, and my temperature was then and continued to be a degree below normal.
According to Skagit County Public Health, 60 members of Skagit Valley Chorale met up on March 10th. Within several days, 45 members became ill. 28 tested positive for COVID-19. 17 did not get tested but had consistent symptoms, and 2 people in their 80s died.
To get 3/4 of a group who only met for 2 hours positive, it's quite impressive transmission.
Dr. Howard Lybrand with Skagit County Public Health says the choir group took all precautions. Only members who didn't feel sick attended. They sat apart from each other, brought their own choir sheets, did not hug or shake hands, and had hand sanitizer available. But he says many people with the illness are asymptomatic, unknowingly spreading the virus, and singing may have played a role.
I think that singing with wide open mouth and projection of your voice certainly can cause droplet spread of the illness. We know that 2 people face-to-face in conversation can contaminate each other.
Comstock and Owen says they are now looking into helping others once they recover.
We want to be part of the solution. We would love to help out just in delivering meals or checking up on people.
At the time of the choir practice, there were no restrictions on gatherings in Skagit County, but there are now, and Skagit County Public Health continues to urge everyone to stay home and practice social distancing.